How to take a long scrolling screenshot on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how can you take a long scrolling screenshot. Now basically there are different ways to do it but some of the easiest way is to do it by following the steps. Now first of all, what you want to do is you want to open up the particular page that you want to screenshot. Now for example, I'm just going to go ahead and open my Chrome, and then just for the sake of this video I'm going to select any of these, and let's say this is the one, right? So here what you have to do is you want to hold on to your side buttons and then the power on button at the same time. So just like this, and at the bottom of the page you could see this arrow icon, right? You just need to click on that, and once you do it so you have the scrolling screenshot. Now here you could go and expand it so just like that, and this is the way you could do it so, and click on the pencil shape icon or click on save in order to save it so. Now this is one way of doing it so. Actually open up a Chrome browser. Now they have a built-in screenshot feature, so what you could do is tap on the three dot icon when you have the page loaded up, and then you want to click on the share button. As you do it so, then what next you could do is you could see there is this option as long screenshot. You could just simply go ahead and tap on it, and as already mentioned, you just have to make sure to select it how long you want it, and that is the way you could do it so, and click the tick icon in the bottom right hand side and you've successfully taken the screenshot. Now if you find these methods not a convenient way, then what you could also do is you could also use a third-party application. You could find multiple in the Play Store. You could go and look for it up, and that is how you could take a long scrolling screenshot on Android. That is how you could do it so. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.